Neisseria gonorrhoeae, which is the pathogen causing gonorrhea. It is kidney-shaped under a biological microscope. It has no flagella, no capsule, and does not form spores. After gram staining, it appears red and belongs to gram-negative diplococci. After fluorescent staining, under a fluorescence microscope, the bacterial cells emitting green fluorescence are positive. On chocolate agar or blood agar medium, it forms grayish-white or translucent, round, convex, smooth and moist colonies. It often exists in the white blood cells of the purulent secretions of acute urethritis and vaginitis. After human infection, purulent infections of the urinary and reproductive systems may occur, as well as infections of the eyes, pharynx, rectum, and disseminated cochal infections. As a research-grade upright fluorescence microscope, Mshot M43N features a high numerical aperture objective lens, a six-dipole fluorescence module, and an instant-on LED light source, among other features. It is a good tool for observing Neisseria gonorrhoeae. If gonorrhea symptoms appear, seek medical help promptly.